Within Within, Restoring Wholeness for Better Leadership. I'm so excited about this book. It is it's a fabulous book. It was actually God speaking to me. And then in the process, it was said, share with the public. So I was actually in a master program and we had a book retreat and we had to write a book. And I didn't really know what I was going to write a book about, but I just channeled myself with God and started writing, and like it all poured out. And the fascinating thing is it covers um, uh, generational issues, systemic societal issues. It covers the mind, the conscious mind and the unconscious mind, and how we grow. It covers leadership principles and the application in your life. It's such a wide variety of embracing abuse and how do you get through trauma. And then it's got sprinkled with the biblical scriptures that support the principles. It was just an amazing process. And it's filled with my stories of my life and the struggles that I faced and how God used my life circumstances to teach me and grow me. So it was a powerful process when the Lord was speaking to me through this book. And we've tried to hold with my publishers in the UK, and we've held the tone and communication of the book intact. So I created a companion workbook, a downloadable PDF that people can get so that they can work through their own life and various things and go deeper with the book than just reading a book. And God's going to use it in a powerful way. If you want to become a better leader, if you want to, you may be triggered by some of the stories and things that I'm sharing in my life, but they will bring out what's going on in your life, which is a wonderful thing. See, this is the wonderful thing about challenges in life. You can face challenges and be excited that they're there because that tells you there's something that you can heal. You can become better and more whole when you face the struggles and the challenges. And you don't have to do it alone. That's the power of a coach. The power of a coach can be there to walk life through with you, can bring you insights that you may not have on your own.